Okay, guys, last package, package number 5. And the biggest one. Let's see what this is all about. Oh, check this out. This is so cool. This is really cool. This is an electronic punching fitness system. I'm telling you, I've been seeing this all over TikTok. So many people have been using it, and I cannot wait to find out more about this. Okay, so let's get into the details.
Okay, here it is. It's the fitness boxing machine, and it comes with gloves. It comes with the machine, and as you can see, all the tools to hang it up. You can either use a bar, where it has some holes on the back, or you could possibly use the Velcro. And if you don't want to use the Velcro, you can also just peel that off and stick it to the wall, which is exactly what I'm about to do.
Let's do it. Whew. My arms are burning. I love this. This is giving me a workout. And this corner is perfect. Whew. I need some water. Wow, this is really cool. Did you see that? Listen, I cannot wait to start using this. I've been doing Pilates, which you guys know I have always been a gym girly, and this is it. All right, I cannot wait. I'm gonna use this on a regular basis. This is perfect. I'm gonna try to tighten up my arms, and this will do it. So this is it. I cannot wait to start using this. This is gonna fit perfectly into my fitness routine. But anyway, guys, stay tuned for the next unboxing. Tools!